Hello everybody, Mike from Joel's Albay Tractor LLC. We just got done doing a Super Oliver 88. This one here's got some pretty cool history. This one here is a family tractor. This is the first new tractor that the family bought on the farm. As you can see, she's got little oversized tires, and she did originally come that way from the factory. The customers actually got the build ticket from the Oliver Heritage Group. This one here, the Oliver dealer couldn't sell it, so he took it to another dealer and they were able to sell it, and my customers bought it. This one here, she's been pretty much all gone through. The motor was all freshly overhauled at the machine shop. We got new aftermarket side shields and new grills. We obviously did a little TLC on the sheet metal like always. This one here's got a little extra jewelry on. She's got the tack, which is an option, and we also have the new rear steps on it that the Oliver Group sells. Other than that, she's new wire harness again like always. Starter's been gone through. This one here, we changed a few things though. This one here, the customer wanted the alternator put on it to upgrade a little bit, and so we put the little alternator on, and actually I really like it. It really blends in well here. And she's also got the update distributor. Other than that, and we got actually a Oliver seat cushion too. Other than that, for any of your restoration needs, you can give us a call at 920-894-2134. You can check out our Facebook page, Joel's Albay Tractor, and our YouTube channel, Joel's Albay Tractor. Thanks for watching.